Water park, regular park, yes.
Theme park.
Theme park, definitely.
But you can't say this slide. Water park is a water park, or the park, the playground,
This is a really, really special slide.
yeah.
This slide is not like any other slide. Usually, who rides a slide? People, but adults or children? Yes, it's a kid's ride. For little kids. This is not for little kids. This is a new slide. We'll watch this video. This video is a sneak preview. It shows you a little bit of what's happening.
Sure.
Let's look. Let's look and see. Children on the slide? No, it's adults, men and women. Now, there are some numbers in feet. You know, foot, right? This is a foot. This is how long, how tall the building is. 1,000 feet is how many meters?
야구에서 봤는데.
3,500.
Oh, too much. It's smaller number.
3,000.
That's a lot of meters. 1,000, we're going to go down. Ruby? 700 is down, but we go more. A little bit more. What else?
500.
A little bit more. Perfect. It is 300 meters high. From here to here. 300 meters. That's really, really high. And the slide comes out for 45 feet. How many meters? Good?
13 meters.
Yes, it's about 13.5 meters. Here.
Oh, nice.
Yes, it's really, really high. It starts on the 70th floor. It goes down one floor. What floor does it finish at? Is it down? 69th floor. Okay. 69. So is it inside the building or outside the building? Yeah, look at this picture. You can see this person on the slide. Is it a man or a woman? It's a woman, right? She's going down the slide. It's on glass, not plastic. This glass is super thin. Really, really thin. 1, 2, 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. And then down. 300 meters. It's a really, really tall building. And the slide is outside. Okay, and this is a city. Outside there's a city. Do you know what city it is?
LA.
LA. Good job. You're watching very good. Los Angeles. Yes, like the Dodgers hometown. Today, we're going to read the whole story. So what will we do? Teacher?
So we will read the new story about this sky slide. So video please. 3, 2, 1.
Find the story.
So then where do you
We have the story up here.
Yeah. So this story has 24 pieces. 24 pieces.
24.
12 pieces in English and 12 pieces in Korean.
Okay, so E is what?
English.
English. K is
Korean.
Yeah.
Sure. Half and half.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Find your partner piece.
Okay, each English sentences have a matching Korean sentence. So please find your partner who has a matching sentence.
Right. Is this English or Korean?
English.
What about this?
Yeah.
Right. So Brian teacher has number 6 in English. No, I want to do the Korean. And teacher Claire has number 6 in English. We have to look and find.
Safety mat. I have safety mat.
Oh, safety mat.
Yeah.
Me too. There's a safety mat here. We match and we are partners. We are partners. We find our partner and what do we do next, teacher?
Yes. Then you guys will get key and please come to the front of the classroom and you'll get a one worksheet.
Like this. It says write the story in English and Korean. Who is the Korean writer? Me. Who's the English writer? My partner, teacher Claire.
Yes. So we have number 6. Please write down next to the matching number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blah blah blah. Mo, 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 mo. Write the sentence in Korean and
English.
English. As you can see, the 12 spaces. 12 for English and 12 for Chinese, Japanese,
Korean.
Spanish,
Korea.
French.
Korean.
12 in English, 12 in Korean. 24 total.
3, 2, 1.
Bring the sentence back to your teachers.
After you finish writing, then please come up and bring those sentences to the teachers. And please wait for another team finish their writing and please switch.
Sure, so we have number 6.
Number 6.
We want to change for a new number, new sentence. What number? 8. Okay, we didn't do number 8, but we did number 6. If we switch for number 6, is that okay? No, it's a bad idea. It's the same number. We want to switch to a different number. Number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Number 8 spot. Okay.
Yeah. Or you can change if you are friends.
Sure. If you have number 2 and you have number 3, you finish and switch. Yeah, you can change it. Number 3 and number 1, you can switch. That's okay.
Okay, keep going until the story is complete. All those 12 parts.
12 English, 12 Korean. Together, how many? 24. Ah. What do you do last? Students, 3, 2, 1.
Read the whole story.
Read it first in English, second in
Korean.
so you can understand everything.
Yes. Today we have Korean parts. Yes.
Yes, you can understand all parts.
And if you flip over your worksheet, then there are 12 questions about the story. So please answer the questions about the story.
Right, they're very simple questions. You just circle A, B, C, or D. You don't have to write anything. Just circle. Read the question and circle the answer.
Okay. Okay, then let's watch this story together.
Welcome to English News in a Minute, where you give us 60 seconds and we give you the world. The LA Sky Slide. A glass slide opens 300 meters above the street.
What a handsome voice.
A very scary slide has opened to the public in Los Angeles. Slides are usually seen in children's parks. But the scariest sky slide is on the outside of a building, 70 stories high. To make it scarier, the sky slide is made of glass, which is just 3 centimeters thick. People who go on it have to look down at the street 300 meters below them. It is part of the U.S. Bank Tower in downtown LA. It cost $3.5 million to build. The slide starts at the 70th floor and goes down 1 story to the 69th. It is only 15 meters from start to finish and takes about 5 seconds to get from top to bottom. Riders must sit on a special safety mat and push themselves out a window. Only 1 person can go on it at a time.
Oh, go alone. No friends.
The president of the company that owns the building said there were many meetings about what kind of attraction it should have. They wanted something special. The president said, "We have to do something that doesn't exist anywhere else." She said the slide is safe enough to support a school bus filled with people. An LA Times reporter spoke about the ride. He said, "The ride takes just a few seconds. Before you can really get a scream going, you're launched out onto a safety mat on an outdoor deck on the 69th floor. Tickets to get into the Sky Space area on the 70th floor are $25 for adults and $19 for children aged between 3 and 12. A ride on the Skyline costs an additional $8. A little bit expensive. Now here's a question for you to discuss with your friends and family. Is it crazy to make a $3.5 million slide on a building? What do you think? Thanks for listening, and be sure to join us for our next
Really,
English News in a Minute.
Okay, how much did they cost?
$3.5 million.
How about in Korea? 35.
Very, very expensive.
Yeah.
So it is not free. It is not like a playground or park. It costs $25 to go here.
Yeah. There's a part of this building.
Go inside and then up. $25. To go on the slide, $8. So how much total? Where is
33.
Yeah.
33? 33? Yes. And how long does the slide take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. $33 for 5 seconds. One time. Only one time. Go again. $8, please. One more time. $8, please. So who wants to try that slide? Who would go on the slide?
Yeah.
30도 45,000원? Okay. Wow, very rich kids. How about for free? I would. Okay, today we're going to get started. But before we start, teacher, do we need books today?
No, we don't need a book.
Put your books inside of your desk, please. All you need is a pencil or a pen, something to write.
Yeah. You can bring your pencil case.
And your teachers will give you sentence string. One for you. 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 Let's give you the hardest one I have. Here you go. Too easy. I need a couple more, 2 more. Here's the hardest ones. Ruby, pick A or B. Oh, bad choice. Sorry. She got the really long English stuff. Okay, everybody, A, B. Put your strip up, paper strip up, pencil up. Show us you're ready, please. Pencil ready, paper ready. No pencil case, pencil. I want to see that you're ready. Yeah, you want to be ready to start.
Yeah, if you complete your worksheet, then I'll give you 3 steps for completing your worksheet. 3 steps, okay?
Oh, 3. Okay. Many students finish, so you can do it.
Yeah.
You can definitely do it. Okay, let's stand up, push in your chairs,
Stand there.
and find a partner. Push in your chairs, find a partner. Push in your chairs. Who's got a partner? Find your partner. Okay, you got someone who has money. Money? Who has an English money sentence? English money? So why don't you sit back here? Who is English writer? Okay, what do you have? What's your sentence? Usually children's playground. Gary has it. Gary and Laura have it. Playground? Oh, do you have a playground? Children's playground? Yeah, perfect. You guys are perfect. Okay. Get your paper from players. Who is your partner? You guys can do it really fast. Who's going to be the English writer? Jerry, you're right. Okay, English here. Green sits here. English sits here. Sit right here. You have 17 minutes. I think you can do it. No. Who's are these?
7번 얘는데? 그럼 우리가 저기서 준비한다지 8, 9 자, 너희 다 쓴다. 너희 우리 바꾸자. 싫은데? 하는 거야. 우리 어디 사야 돼? 여기 6번인데. 아무도 소리 하면 되겠지? 자리가 있는 거야? 아니, 없어.
You're the Korean writer? Sitting Cool. You want to write the sentence for these here? Right, same time. That's the
5번 있는 사람!
Cool, here.
5번 있는 사람!
That's okay.
여기서 보았어.
Write at the same time.
이거 영어로 뭐야? 야, 그냥 여기